Now next topic in pair of linear equations in two variables. Methods of solving pair of linear equations in two variables. Now we are going to discuss different methods by which you can solve linear equation in two variables. First one is substitution method. In this case, if two equations given as a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0, a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0. For example, let two equations as 2x plus 3y equal to 8 and minus x plus y equal to 1. Step first we write two equations as written here, whatever equations given. In step second, find the value of one variable, it will be x or y, in terms of other variable. In this case, I have taken second equation minus x plus y equal to 1 and written the value of y in terms of x. But it is not compulsory. You are free. You can find the value of x in terms of y from equation second, or also you can find the value of y in terms of x from equation first, or find the value of x in terms of y from equation first. There is no hard and fast from equation second. You have to find the value of y in terms of x. But you have to decide in every equation what is easy for you, and then you have to follow second step. In second step, you have to write the value of y in terms of x as per this question. Then substitute the value of y as y equal to 1 plus x written here in equation first, because I have written the value of y from equation second. Therefore, value of y put in equation first. The result you will get 2x plus 3y in place of y, 1 plus x. 2x plus 3 into 1 plus x equal to 8. Simplified, 2x plus 3 into 1, 3 plus 3x. 2x plus 3x, 5x. 5x plus 3 equal to 8. Or 5x equal to 8 minus 3, 5, or x equal to 1. In third step, you are getting the value of x. Now next step, put the value of x in equation first and solve for y. In equation first, 2x plus 3y equal to 8. In place of x, write down 1. 2 into 1 plus 3y equal to 8, or 3y equal to 6, or y equal to 2. And in this pattern, value of x, y constitute the solution of linear equations as x equal to 1 and y equal to 2. This is the first method by which you can solve and find the value of x and y. It is known as substitution method. Substitution means you are going to find the value of x or y in terms of other variable and substitute in other equation and then solve it. Now next method, elimination method. Again, step first, you have to write linear equation in two variables as written here. I have taken same example, 2x plus 3y equal to 8 and minus x plus y equal to 1. Elimination. Eliminate means you have to eliminate any one variable, x or y, by equating coefficient. Step first, what you will do? Here equation will be right. In step second, just observe in step first 2x plus 3y equal to 8 and minus x plus y equal to 1. In equation first, coefficient of x is 2 and here coefficient of x minus 1. If you ignore the minus and plus sign, easily you can write coefficient of x is 2 and here 1. For equating coefficient in equation 2, multiply by 2, then coefficient of x will be equal. Our second option, if you want to equate coefficient of y in equation 1, 3y, then in equation second you have to multiply by 3. So to decide what is easy for you, in this question, multiply the equation, make the coefficient of variable say x to be eliminated. Means I want to eliminate variable x by equating coefficient. Here 2x written, then equation second multiply by 2. See, and result you will get minus 2x plus 2y equal to 2. That is step second. Step first, equations written. Step second, decide which variable you want to eliminate. Since I have selected a x, therefore equate the coefficient of x. Minus 2x plus 2y equal to 2. Then third step, add or subtract of the equations. As the terms having coefficients are opposite or same sign. It implies if signs are opposite, then you have to add, and if same sign, then subtract. In this case, minus 2x and plus 2x. Sign opposite. If opposite sign, then add. Same sign, subtract. Now, in this question, since sign, here 2x and here minus 2x means opposite sign. Therefore, we will add first and third. So 2x plus 3y plus, from second equation LHS is minus 2x plus 2y equal to, add of RHS, add 8 plus 2. Just open the bracket. 2x minus 2x cancel out, 0, and 3y plus 2y, 5y. 5y equal to 10 or y equal to 2. In step third, you are getting the value of one variable as here y. Now fourth step, like in previous method, substitute the value of y in equation first. So 2x plus 3 into 2 equal to 8, or 2x plus 6 equal to 8, or x equal to 1. And hence solution of pair of linear equation into variables. After solving, you are getting as x equal to 1 and y equal to 2. I hope this method is clear. Second method, just again revision. First write equations, then decide the variable which you want to eliminate, make coefficient equal, then if sign is same, then subtract, opposite sign, then add. Since sign are opposite means add them, and then find the value of x. By substitution, find the value of y and complete the solution. Now next, that is very important method, cross multiplication method. Each and every step remember very carefully, and this method is important for board purpose also. In step first, whatever linear equation in two variables given, write down. Again, I have taken same example, 2x plus 3y equal to 8, and second equation minus x plus y equal to. I hope step first is clear. In all three methods, it is same. Now step second, write both the equation in standard form. Standard form of linear equation is ax plus by plus c equal to 0 in this form. First equation, 2x plus 3y minus 8 equal to 0, and second equation is minus x plus y minus 1 equal to 0. Your first task, you write in standard form as written here. Then next step, to obtain the solution, write the equation as follows. There are two variables x and y. You have to remember this step, x written, y written, and third constant y written. In the denominator of x, write the coefficient of y and constant. Coefficient of y, b1, b2, and constant c1, c2. b1, b2, and c1, c2. In denominator of y, c1, c2, a1, a2. One more thing you can observe. In second column c1, c2 written. In denominator of y, it will start from c1, c2. Second column, yes, c1, c2. In denominator of y, it is first column. And then a1, a2. Now next, we will start from a1, a2. And second column, b1, b2. So remember again, x upon, except coefficient of x, you will write b1, b2, c1, c2. Y, c1, c2, a1, a2, and constant 1, a1, a2, and b1, b2. Then next step, from example I have written, x denominator coefficient of y 3 and here coefficient of y is 1. So 3 1 written here. Constant -8 -1. Here -8 -1 written. Then next step y. Since second column is -8 -1, it becomes first column in denominator of y, means -8 -1. Since coefficient of y will not write here, -8 -1. After that, coefficient of x 2 and -1. 2 and -1 equal to 1 upon here second column, write as first column 2 and -1, and then b1 b2 is coefficient of y 3 and 1. 3 and 1 is written. I hope up to this step everything is clear. Now next step, in previous page already I have written this. Now x upon 3 1 -8 -1 written, y upon -8 -1, 2 -1, 2 -1 and 3 1 written here. Now cross multiply. Cross multiply means we start with b1 c2 multiply b1 c2 minus b2 c1 as written here. b1 c2 minus b2 c1. In denominator of y, same process. c1 a2 multiply these two, then minus c2 a1. Similarly, next cross multiply a1 b2 minus a2 b1. Here denominator of x 3 into -1 written here, 3 into -1 minus 1 into -8 equal to y upon -8 into -1. First cross multiply this one. Minus -1 into 2 equal to 1 upon 2 into 1 minus -1 into 3 as written here. You can observe here. Step 5. Now next step, further simplify. So 3 into -1 equal to -3 minus 1 into -8 -8 minus plus 8 -3 plus 8 equal to y upon -8 into -1 8 and here -1 into 2 -2 with multiply by minus sign means +2 equal to 1 upon 2 into 1 2 minus -1 into 3 means +3. Now next step, x upon -3 plus 8 5 equal to y upon 8 plus 2 10 equal to 1 upon 5. To obtain the value of x and y, first we equate first and third terms. First term is x upon 5 and third term is y upon 5. X upon 5 equal to 1 upon 5. Cross multiply 5x equal to 5 or x equal to 1. You are getting the value of x here. Next step, equate second and third term, means y upon 10 equal to 1 upon 5. Y upon 10 equal to 1 upon 5. Cross multiply 5y equal to 10 or y equal to 10 upon 5, that is y equal to 2. Now one more solve question for practice. Two equations given here, you have to solve by cross multiplication method. First you write given equation in standard form. Standard form means ax plus by plus c equal to 0, means RHS will be 0. So 2x plus 3y minus 35 equal to 0. 3x plus 4y minus 65 equal to 0. Then next step, write as cross multiplication method, and x upon coefficient of y 1 4 written here. Then minus 35 minus 65 written here, minus 35 minus 65 equal to y upon second column right here as first column minus 35 minus 65, and then coefficient of x 2 and 3 written equal to 1 upon second column right as first column 2 3, and then next coefficient of y 1 and 4. Then cross multiply 1 into minus 65 written here, then minus sign, then 4 into minus 35 equal to next again minus 35 into 3 minus 65 into 2 equal to 1 upon 2 into 4, first multiply these two numbers, minus 3 into 1. Further simplify, 1 into minus 65 is minus 65 plus minus plus, and 4 into 35 140 equal to y upon, again simplify, minus 105 plus 130 equal to 1 upon 8 minus 5. Further simplify, we will get x upon 75 equal to y upon 25 equal to 1 upon 5. Same process, taking first and third expression, we get x upon 75 equal to 1 upon 5, cross multiply 5x equal to 75, x equal to 15. Then equating second and third expression, y upon 25 equal to 1 upon 5, or 5y equal to 25, or y equal to 5. Hence, solution of the given equations is x equal to 15 and y equal to 5. So this is the cross multiplication method by which you can solve linear equation in two variables and find the solution. Some questions for practice. First question, two equations given, you have to solve by elimination method. Second question, two equations given, you have to solve and complete by cross multiplication method. And in third equation, again you have to solve by cross multiplication method, because this method is important, and for board purpose also to prepare this method.